Hello, on today's video I will show you how to remove the headrest on your vehicle. You are right now on the Mercedes W123 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. First thing we'll have to do in order to remove them will be to lift them up. But as we can see here, this one is rather stuck. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and pull it as much as I can, or even eventually see a little bit of the chrome bit. And what I will do, I will place a little bit of oil, so like that will make my life way easier. We have it so much better now, eh? And now if you can hear, there's a sound where it clicks, where it stops. You see, it can't go any further than that. And if we look at it, if we look at the seat, there's no button where we can actually dislodge it. But look at that. If you follow that left line, just below the seat here, you will notice there's a button that you can press. So what I do, I just push it down a little bit to have a bit more room. I push it and I take it off. That's it. Looking at it, the only thing that maintains this in place is basically this. So this is why we need to press that little button. Okay. Now to fit it back, it's very easy. We simply put it in and slide it in. Done. Of course, if you've got the older style, you know, with the two pointy part, or if you want to change it with one from the Mercedes W124, for instance, of course you can do it. They're the same size, there's absolutely no problem. That's all for today. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.